Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Roblox Face Camera. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined one of the games on Roblox, and if you want to enable the face camera, we need to go to this menu. But before it, we need to give access to our camera. You need to give Roblox application to access your camera guys, and here you just need to click on self view. Okay, and you can activate the camera. If the camera is active, you will see the green dot right here. Now my camera is active. And if you want to wing, you need to equip the dynamic head. You can go to the avatar, customize, and then head and body. And I'm going to explain to you guys how this feature works on Roblox. Basically, this is a feature that uses your device's camera to animate your avatar's facial expression in real time and making it look like your avatar is mimicking your head movements and expressions. And then don't forget to set the camera. Go to the setting right here, and then you're going to select the camera, video camera, and choose your camera. Okay, and let me go to this setting. Let me leave the game guys. Okay, and don't forget to give access to your camera, and you can give access to camera if you go to the setting. Select the privacy and content restriction. Hold on, and select the communication and select camera input, and make sure that you activate camera input right now so Roblox can access your camera. Okay guys, and that's how we can enable the face camera on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!